Precautionary measures that should be observed before, during, and after an earthquake.
An earthquake occurs when the Earth's tectonic plates shift suddenly, causing the ground to shake. This shaking can cause damage to numerous structures, including buildings, as well as increased erosion of the Earth's surface. How can we avoid this? Earthquakes cannot be prepared, but we can prepare for them with the proper work and safety planning. Always remember these basic things to do before, during, and after a strong earthquake. Before an earthquake, the key to effective prevention disaster is planning. During, do the drop, cover, and hold. After, be prepared for aftershocks. Tips and reminders when experiencing earthquake. The key to effective disaster prevention is planning. Conduct and participate in regular earthquake drills. Stay calm and don't panic. Keep updated on disaster prevention instructions from battery-operated radio.